In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create, promote, and manage your events in Constant Contact. Vertical bar Constant Contact. To begin, log into your Constant Contact account. Once you are signed in, go to the Events area. If you already started building an event earlier, you can also open your draft and continue from there. This is helpful if you want to make updates instead of starting over. Next, enter or edit your event basics. This is where you add the core details people need in order to understand your event. Start with the title, and make sure it is clear and descriptive so attendees immediately know what the event is about. Then confirm the date and time carefully. It is a good idea to double-check this information, since even a small mistake here can cause confusion for your audience. After that, enter the location. If your event is in person, make sure the address is accurate. If needed, review everything once more so your event details are complete and easy to understand. After your basics are in place, move on to tickets and add-ons. Here you will set up the options your attendees can choose from when registering. Add the ticket name, then set the price for each option. If your event has different levels, such as general admission or VIP access, make sure each one is clearly labeled. You can also configure inventory limits to control how many tickets are available. This is especially useful if space is limited or if you want to manage capacity more effectively. Take a moment here to make sure your pricing and quantities are correct before moving forward. Next, go to the Payments section and connect your payment processor. Constant Contact allows you to use Stripe or PayPal to collect event fees. Choose the option that works best for your setup and complete the connection. Once your payment method is linked, click Save. Saving at this stage ensures your payment settings are applied properly before the event goes live. Finally, click Activate to make your event live. Once activated, Constant Contact will generate your registration URL. This is the link you can use to promote your event and send people directly to the registration page. Before sharing it, it is a good idea to confirm that everything looks correct, from the event details to the ticket options and payment setup. That covers everything you need to know.